Understanding major, minor, and exotic currency pairs in Forex. As we know, in Forex, currencies are always traded in pairs. Every currency pair consists of a base currency and a quote currency. There are three main categories of currency pairs based on trading volume, liquidity, and the economies involved: major pairs, minor pairs, exotic pairs. Major currency pairs. Major pairs are the most heavily traded currency pairs in the Forex market. They always involve the US dollar as either the base or quote currency, paired with another major currency. For examples: Euro, US dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, US dollar, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Why they're called major? These pairs are considered major due to their large trading volumes and high liquidity. They represent the strongest economies in the world, making them more stable and less volatile compared to other pairs. Minor currency pairs. Minor pairs, also called cross-currency pairs, are Forex pairs that do not involve the US dollar. They feature combinations of other major currencies. For examples: Euro, British pound, Euro or Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Euro, Australian dollar, and Swiss franc, Japanese yen. These pairs have lower trading volumes than major pairs and slightly wider spreads, though they still involve strong, well-known currencies. Finally, exotic currency pairs. Exotic pairs involve one major currency paired with the currency of an emerging or smaller economy. For examples: US dollar, Turkish lira, US dollar, South African rand, Euro, Turkish lira, British pound or Singapore dollar, US dollar, Mexican peso, US dollar, Hong Kong dollar, Euro, Hungarian forint. They are termed exotic not because they involve rare currencies, but because they represent economies that are less stable and less liquid than those of the major currency countries. These pairs are less traded, less liquid, and can be highly volatile. So, understanding the characteristics of these three types of currency pairs is crucial for making informed trading decisions in the Forex market. That's all. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome and keep tuning in. See you in the next video.